Good morning, everybody. It is 1:30. It is February the 14th, 2019. I'm going to let Puppy in here. All right. Sorry. Here we go. We're going to go from the latest to the ones that happened earlier, okay? They've got a 2.1 in Oregon, USGS does, at 0 miles in depth. We've got a 2.7 southeastern Missouri at 5.5 miles in depth. There's a shocker. I haven't heard of one coming out there yet. There was a 4.5 southern Peru at 89 miles in depth. A 4.9 Halmera at 37 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Toba, Japan, at 224.9 miles in depth. Now, that was on the USGS. There was a 3.9 El Salvador at 41.6 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Oklahoma, 6.8 miles from Pawnee, Oklahoma. That is, and that was at 3.1 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 Vancouver, Canada, and that was at 7.5 miles in depth. A 4.9 Sunda Straits, Indonesia, and that was at 43.6 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 southwest of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Sorry, that was a mouthful. At 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 2.5 Southern California at 2.4 miles in depth. There was a 2.2 Montana, 21 miles from Three Forks. They've got that at 0 miles in depth. All right, guys, that's all I have for right now. God bless. Please be safe out there. Sleep softly. Sweet dreams. I will talk at you tomorrow with another earthquake report. All these earthquakes were from the USGS, the EMSC, China. I don't know what's going on with the other sites, but nobody's reporting. All right? Have yourself a great evening. Thank you so much.